We all know that crypto is the talk of the town these days. So we came down to the Miami Crypto Experience to see what everyone is talking about regarding crypto. So you at home can get more informed and make some money.
You want to make $1 billion, what you got to do? You got to put it in the I guarantee you, $1 billion, guaranteed!
Let's talk money.
All we talk is money. All we talk is money. All we talk is money. All we talk.
I'm Natalie.
Okay, Natalie.
I'm Eliza.
Bruno Sessions.
Bruno Sessions, not Bruno Mars, don't get confused.
Hi guys, I'm the Bitcoin Queen.
How long you been involved in the crypto space?
10 years, in and out. It's like a bad girl, like a bad girlfriend. You're in and out and back and forth.
Actually, I'm pretty new to it.
I got in the early run of 2017.
Since 2011.
I've been a large-scale Ethereum miner for about 5 years.
Been watching it for about 3 years, and I just jumped in last year.
What was it about Bitcoin or crypto that compelled you to get involved?
So the monetary system kind of affected me just at growing up as a kid. The 2008 recession really hit my family hard, and I understood the value of money at a young age. So because of that, I found the value in Bitcoin, and I found the value in alternative currencies that aren't connected to governments.
Honestly, I'm like a girl, so I don't know that much about it, but I know that it's big these days, like Doggy Coin, is that one of them?
Yeah, Dogecoin. Who's your friend, by the way?
Her name is Magic. Magic happens.
Magic happens, I love that.
An experience like this, that Miami Crypto Experience, what happens is we educate people. We teach from NFTs to trading to mining to tax to laws. Everything is here.
Well, right now I'm on Voyager, and they do a lot there that I like with their platform as far as the interest you get back, their savings account there that they give you money on. You know, I like to go in small. I got in Ripple when it was like less than a penny.
This is on the cutting edge of payment and currency, so we wanted to be here and be a part of it.
Well, it's good to have Bitcoin, especially in times like these where obviously the monetary system collapses. We have a crisis, but it's not the coronavirus. So it's good to have Bitcoin now, and in the future it will be good to have Bitcoin rather than that worthless paper money with presidents printed on them.
I saw on Instagram for the Dogecoin or whatever, like there was a huge skyrocket, so there's definitely like a big benefit involved.
Instead of just that asset sitting there, you're actually earning yield every week. You're turning Bitcoin into something that's just gonna appreciate against the dollar into a cash-bearing or an interest-bearing asset, and that changes the whole game.
I think it's really just starting. You know, they say Bitcoin's gonna go up to $100,000. So if you come in today at 50 grand, you still make 50 grand in your 50 grand.
Boom, that's double up.
Bought Bitcoin, bought a bunch of shit coins.
So what's the difference between Bitcoin and shitcoin?
Bitcoin has a ton of advantages as far as mining power, adoption, and a lot of other things that you could go into, but Bitcoin, there's always a special place.
I got inspired by crypto, by blockchain and Bitcoin in general. I decided to create a collection of crypto, digital art, and physical art, and NFT art, because I was really inspired by blockchain.
What do you think is the biggest challenge that cryptocurrency is having today?
We need to figure out a way to make it more scalable, faster transactions, and lower fees for people so it's much more usable, and we can apply it to more industry.
Educating the masses, people really understanding what they're getting into and learning how to protect themselves.
Building trust with people. It's going to take some time for people, you know, the common person to be like, okay, this makes sense. This is something I want to bet in and trust with my money.
Everyone wants to know if the US is going to ban crypto.
Like what just happened in Turkey or with India or China.
Right, so I don't think that's really a big worry here. The regulators are really embracing this. So inflation is a thief, and you want to prevent that as much as you can.
Because it's not easy. It used to be you had a wallet, and it used to be, you know, some file or some hard drive on your computer. Now we have, you know, wallets on our phone, but there's still a lot of scams and phishing and other things that happen that kind of make people wary of getting into the space.
I guess the con is just still waiting to see it rise.
I've been skeptical with crypto because I'm afraid of the regulations. I always say the government is the biggest jack boys.
You could say that you could lose money.
When it comes to paper money, as an example, what percentage of your money is in cash, is in the stock market, is in crypto?
Yeah.
Talk asset allocation.
So we're all in on Ethereum. We don't even have bank accounts anymore. We use BitPay. We liquidate our assets onto, you know, USD through whenever we need to use them, and we're kind of pretty over over banks.
I'm 99% crypto. I keep enough cash in the bank to pay bills, and the rest of my money's working for me and appreciating against the dollar.
Oh, definitely 1% at least. You know, we'll see where it keeps going, but you know, Didn't want to bet everything in it.
Bet the
but
house. You're not
didn't want to
going
bet the
all in.
house at it. But yeah, put 1% in right now.
If you're not looking into crypto, where do you think the best place to invest would be?
Amazon, Google.
Traditional stock market type things?
Small businesses, honestly. Because
Go on.
Yeah, because they can continue on to become a lot bigger if you invest in them and help them out.
What's the number one thing you've learned since getting involved?
Do your research. Make a well-educated decision before you jump into anything.
I would say the biggest thing is emotional discipline. These markets are wild, and once you discipline yourself to buy and hold for the long term like you do with any market, and you can do with stocks and a lot of strategies, you kind of set your mind at ease, and then you tend to build wealth over time.
Final piece of advice, buy Bitcoin, because if you snooze, you lose.
Invest. Save that money.
Rick, we asked you one question about crypto. What's your best piece of advice when it comes to crypto?
Roll the dice. Roll the dice, baby.
And just play it?
Yeah, if you know it, you know it, man.
Thanks, Rick. Crypto is off the chain right now. The blockchain. It's becoming clearer and clearer that crypto is not going anywhere and is likely here to stay. So the general consensus is that you at home need to get more educated, more informed, and get invested. And before you can get invested, you need to save that money.
All we talk is money. All we talk is money. All we talk is money.